If you never set this particular setting for your YouTube studio, then you need to go straight to your YouTube studio now and do these particular settings. Whether as a new content creator or old YouTuber, but you forget, you don't even remember that you're supposed to do this and you struggle with your views. You're supposed to go do these particular settings now. These settings what I want to show you now. Now, one of the settings will help me for one of my faceless channel. Why, to me, I believe I meet up the requirement on time and I monetize that channel within 6 months where I start that particular channel. First, I be no know that particular settings I put down for education. Meanwhile, I dey do documentary video about traveling. So, but one day I dey watch YouTube videos just like this particular one where they watch now, and they talk about this same thing why they talk about now. That not putting this particular setting in that particular niche where you dey into will make the YouTube algorithm go dey find it very difficult to get you the right audience for your channel or your particular pattern of video. So when I been watch that video, I can go check my own. I can discover that my own settings dey for another different thing. The kind of video I dey do dey for another different thing. So but the moment where I put them, it no take me time. 2 months or thereabouts, all in total 6 months. I meet all the requirements what I need for monetization and I monetize my channel. And today I enjoy the benefits. And I want make you to enjoy that benefits. I know they try to tell you say that settings 100% that make me monetize my channel or meet that particular or meet the requirement for monetization. No, but I know say you follow for one of the settings will make me meet them on time. So why they talk this be say, you know go carry settings where you supposed to do for niche A, carry put for settings where you supposed to do for niche B. When you carry settings, maybe what you supposed to turn on or turn off for niche A, carry put for niche B, then it confuse the YouTube algorithm. Because when the YouTube algorithm study the kind of video where they make, then go study what your channel they all about, and different information they get. So with that, as long as you know if you match the whole information together, make them become one, then you know if you find you the right audience, the right viewers, the right country where they like your videos. So now we need to measure say our settings they in line with what would you do, which is our niche. We need to measure they are in line. With that, it will help the YouTube algorithm to merge our video and our channel settings all together to understand and get better information about what we dey do for that particular channel. And by so doing, it will help get you the right audience. And you know, when you get to the right audience, that means you will get more views for your video. And more view leads to more watch hour, lead to more subscriber. And now waiting we need to meet this requirement for monetization. So my people, without wasting much time, make I just show you this particular setting where we need to set so that we will set them immediately. If now your first time where you come across this channel, so welcome to Chinedu Talk YouTube for Pidgin. Inside this channel, so what will they talk about here? Now how to grow for YouTube. Every information, everything, every tips where you need to use grow for this particular platform. Right from the very day where you decide say you want to become content creator. How to create your channel. We'll get the video. Just go watch the video. To how you go take do the setup, we'll get the video. To how you go take go about creating your videos, we'll get everything in this channel. So if you feel that this kind of thing what would you do here now what you like, just click on that subscribe button. Turn on that bell notification so that whenever we publish videos like this, YouTube will send you notification so that make you follow, watch, also learn. At the end of the day, you go dey happy, me I go dey happy. So without wasting much time, we could just go to the business of the day. So now I believe everybody gets YouTube Studio. If you use phone, they do your YouTube. You get your YouTube normal app and you suppose get your YouTube Studio. If you don't get YouTube Studio, just go download YouTube Studio for Play Store, because mostly all the settings where you need to do now for YouTube Studio that they do. And even your posting, you're not supposed to post for the normal YouTube app. Where you're supposed to go to do your posting. If you want to upload video now for your YouTube Studio, you're supposed to go to upload your video. So but not what we talk about now. So I dey use system, laptop. So for us to get to our YouTube studio, all we just need to do is to go to our YouTube account, click on the top right hand side where you have your logo, your picture, or whatever you use there. If you click on it, you go open this box for you, we get list of items. Just go straight to the YouTube studio, click on YouTube studio. When you click on the YouTube studio, it will open. So now the YouTube studio be this. So now these settings, now we need to go to our content, what we don't already do. If you don't already get content for here, you go to your content. If you never get content here, then you need to go to your customization to do them. But I believe say at this point you get content. If you don't get content, then watch our video where we'll do how to create YouTube channel. You will see how you go take do all the settings there. So for the purpose of this video, everybody where they watch them get videos already here. So we'll click on contents. Why would they click on content? They say the content will now help give us bring out our list of our videos them. So we don't need to go to do them one by one. No, I get 5 videos here and I'm each channel video, so I don't need to go do them one by one. I just need to click on any one. It may be the first one, anyone. Just click on any one, then the video will open. When the video open here, you open everything about the video, the title, your description, your thumbnail, your playlist, your is it made for children or not, you click, whether altered content or not, you click. Then it gives you where you're supposed to put your tags, you click. But not go to they talk about today. So we'll just go straight down to where they have category. So what will they try to talk about today now? Category. You see this category, when make I click, and when I click this category, it go open now. Now if you watch within this category open here, the first item here now, auto and vehicle. Auto and vehicle means, okay, make I explain this thing very well again before I start to mention all this thing. You see now this our category means, make I bring them down to our local language, means the kind of business where you they do. What will be the type of business where you they do. If you they sell akara, make it be say your settings now for people where they sell akara. If you they sell mama put, make it be say your settings now for people where they sell mama put, so that if people they look for where they go buy akara for YouTube go push them come your channel to come buy akara because they sell akara. If people they look for where they want go eat the afternoon food for mama put where they cheap, YouTube go send them come your own because now mama put they sell. So you know go carry settings where you supposed to put for person where they sell akara, carry put for mama put, because if you do them, then YouTube go they send people who want buy akara to mama put, and when they reach for person where they sell mama put food, the person will say, no, I know they sell mama puts here. So when they tell them, I know they sell mama put, they will just come out and they don't go come back again. So anytime when they see that anything will come from that mama puts, they don't go even watch it because they know say they'll be waiting they want be that. So now the local explanation of this particular settings be this. So when you come here, we have auto and vehicle. Auto and vehicle means either they review vehicles, or they talk about vehicles, or they talk about how to buy new cars, or any car will come outside, I will talk about that car. So if now waiting that they do for my channel, then now auto and vehicle I will click. Just like this our Nigerian brother, this Alhaji where they sell car for Abuja, where they use technology, technoam. So now auto and vehicle now in the into. So now waiting they go put for your own setting with this. Then they have comedy, then they talk about untouchable comedy and the rest. So all those are our Nigerian skit makers where they do comedy. So now waiting they fall into be this now comedy. Then we'll talk about education. People where they into education, where they teach online, where they run online courses on education. Now what they go teach, now what they go teach here. So that when people come online, they find which online school should I go. YouTube go push those people to those people up. So entertainment, we all know what to be entertainment. If now what you they into, if they dance, if they talk, if they, all those kind of things you set up. Then if now film and animation, all these our Nigerian movies them all, or if they repost their videos and the rest, and then now this settings you go put. If now gaming, you do your house, they enjoy yourself, they play game for YouTube every day, YouTube they pay you. So you need to click this gaming so that when people will like game also come online, they try search for new games, how to play this, YouTube will push them come to you. Then how to and style, which is what that they do now. This my channel now, just how to solve problem, how to do things for YouTube, waiting is supposed to do for YouTube. So now this particular, now this settings I put on my phone, which is where my category fall into. Then when you go down, you have music. I know they do music. So if you do music, you put music for your own, so that people where they look for music to watch, to play, to dance, go When they search them online, YouTube will push them come. Then we have news and politics. I know they do news. I know they talk about politics and the rest, all those AIT, NT and the rest. So their channel for YouTube now, what they go put here. So if now what they do, you put up. Then we have non-profit and activists. So whichever one we want, then we have people and blogs. Anyone we want, if now what you they do, put them. These people and blog get to do with people they do lifestyle. I cook, I post them. I go market, I post them. I go poo, I post them. I buy new clothes, I post them. So if now what you do, you tick this one. Because if now what you do be this and you can't go put comedy, then it go hard for you to get viewers, because you know be comedian you be. So now this particular setting, so any niche where you day into, which is the line of your business for this YouTube, you click on it. By so doing, it will help the YouTube algorithm to find a better audience for your video. So after you don't click and so, like my own, I click then on the right hand top side here, this place here where they have the save button, it's supposed to be active. Then you go click save, meaning you don't save the setting. But my own not deactive because I don't already set them before. And one good thing about it is that when you set them now, your other videos where they come, the settings go automatically there. But for doubt's sake, anytime we publish video, just scroll down. No rush. Scroll down to this category and confirm, double check. Make sure say it there for the particular thing where you do, the particular niche where you dey into, to avoid after you don't waste so much time to create your video. Do all the SEOs, do everything we're supposed to do. 1 week, 2 weeks, your video still they struggle to get 100 views, to get 1,000 views. So just try to do all these particular settings, and when you do them, I believe say your channel will give you the right views where you want. Then this one I just extra tip. You know, sometimes when we start YouTube channels new, we feel say all those people they publish video, when they publish their video, they get 3,000 view, 5,000 view, and you would feel say if they do this thing the way they take they do them, why you know they get this particular views where this people they get after you don't do all these settings where YouTubers, where creators they tell you make you do, they do them, but you know they see anything. My brother, just calm down. Just calm down. Calm down. There's no rush. Calm down. Just like you see one big man today, you just say, God, tomorrow I won't wake up to become that big man. You know they're possible. Everything gets foundation. Everything gets, like, they don't get number of time where they don't do for that particular business to grow to that particular level where they. For example, I get this channel, this particular channel where I post this video. I just start them new. When I watch my videos there, and they get 10 view, 20 view, I know they bother. I get other channels when I post video, I get 20,000 view, I get 30,000, I get 100,000 views also on my other channels too. But I know they bother because I know those channels where they give me 100,000 view now, when I start them, they struggle like this. Even when you don't do all these settings, they get, what you go understand, they say they get other big creators where they the same niche with you. People don't they used to them. So people go always watch their video over your own video, because they believe say those people get experience more than you. But even at that, keep pushing, keep posting your videos. One day, the more you post, before you go know, you go hit, the algorithm go pick your video and start to redistribute your video. You go start to grow. Now so everybody day here. Nobody go wake up one day here, boom, you go say the person don't get thousands of views. As long as you open that channel new, you can't be say you yourself now new content creator, you don't even get idea of anything. You will struggle with your views for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, depending on the effort where you put for that particular channel. So no give up, and no they look all those people where they do the same thing where you do, but they get bigger view than you. Now step by step, when you reach your turn, you're gonna get them. So if you find value for this video so today, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification so that anytime we publish videos like this, believe me, YouTube will send you message to tell you say we don't publish video, make you go watch them, so that you too go follow learn. If you enjoyed this video once more again, please don't forget to share them so that other people too will get value for this video, go see them, follow, watch and learn also. Thank you, and see you in the next video.